In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit a legend in Google Earth Pro. So the first thing you want to do, of course, you want to enable the legend. So I'm going to go over here to Miami for this example, and then I'm going to go up here to where it says File, and then you want to click on Save, and then of course over here you want to click on Save Image. It's going to pop up this together with your legend, or you could just click on this button up top over here to save the image, and it's going to show your legend up here in the top right. If it's not showing, click on Map Options and make sure legend is enabled and has a check mark. Now whenever you've done that, you can then go ahead and basically click on the legend wherever it is. Of course, you can move it around by clicking and dragging, or you can just click on it, and this is going to allow you to edit it. So you can edit it however you want. You can check some things you want to check off the list. You can go and refresh from view. You can go and do whatever you want, okay? Now whenever you've done this, you can of course just close this and your legend has been edited. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.